So really, a lot of our stuff is based in reality, and then we just extrapolate from that. I find that there is plenty of amazing things in the real world that you don't have to fantasize and create something, that you can just take stories from around you and create something amazing. Our VR app, where we were, Oceans We Make, where you're going on a dive, we purposefully made that from our perspective, like the user's perspective. Mm-hmm. So it's like you're in there, it's you going through the whole experience. With immersive media, I can create something which is 3 minutes long, and it'll have more of an impact than a 90-minute long feature film. So, one of the things I said in the presentation, we spent a lot of time in pre-production. iPad is really good in terms of, especially with pencil, that you don't have to, use the old machines where you can just pick it up and just sketch on it and create some really amazing imagery. It really has made it quite a bit easier in terms of, at least for my 3D artists. But I'll give them the ideas and the inspiration, and then we turn it around much faster. Ultimately, we're looking to inspire positive change. That's what we are built on.